welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Verlaine, and today I'm going to be showing you my face routine, what I use to wash my face and cleanse my skin every day. And I hope you guys enjoy this video, but don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below to this video. Stay tuned. Alright guys, all you need in order to cleanse your face, I use the Black African soap that I purchased at Walmart, and this soap was only $3, so it's not expensive, but it's really good for your skin. So first, all you have to do is wet your skin really good. Sorry if the lighting is not that good, guys. I'm in my bathroom. My bathroom lighting is not that good. So first, I make sure I moisten my skin really good. With the towel, and then I'll put make sure it's really wet. Then I'm gonna wet the soap, and I don't put the soap directly on my face like the bar soap. I put it in my hands like that, rub it together, and then I put it on my face like it's a mask. And also, don't forget to get your neck also. Cause a lot of people just, you know, get over those eyelids really good. Just like you do a face mask. And I get around the hairline really good because of all the hair product that we use in our hair that usually will make our skin break out also. Get on the inside of those nose, on the other side of it, under those eyes. Please do not get this in your eyes, guys, because it will burn. Okay, once you got it good on your neck and on your face, then you'll go and you'll rinse it off. Make sure you rinse it off really good. Alright, and that's what it looks like all rinsed off, guys. Alright guys, let me show you how I moisturize my skin after I wash it with the black soap. So the products that I use are only 2 products. I use my shea butter, 100% African shea butter, and I use cocoa butter. And first is what I do. So I take the cocoa butter and I'm gonna put some on my lips. Just like lip gloss. Rub it in. Now around the face. This is usually my night routine because I'm not gonna go outside with all this cream on my face because it done got hot now, and I'm not finna be sweating like a pig because I got all this grease on my face. Okay, then I take some of the shea butter, not much, just that much, and rub it in my hands, and then rub it in on my skin. Make sure you rub it in on your neck. The shea butter and the cocoa butter helps get rid of those blackheads and blemishes. Rub it in real good. And then it'll be time for bed. So I thank you guys for watching my face routine video, and I hope you learned something and what products to use to help with your beautiful black skin also. But until next time, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on this video. And I will be seeing you guys in the next video. I'll be doing my hair routine video, how I make it look like the wet look. So stay tuned for the next video. See you later, guys.
This